Siyapi Shutsana ngithola I'm being emotional but bonke labantwana engabanikeza inhliziyo yami ngithola bayiphula, so namaro understand ukuthi bangayithandi ngithola yini really impilo engiphilayo nje, we just don't love each other nje, mara mina I love them though ngithola mara ngibona ba-decide ukuthi nabo bafune ipansula ngithola maybe they want the other size. Ngeke ngitshele amanga mangakutshela iqiniso zokhala ngoba lo mntwana ngamnika inhliziyo yami, ngithi uyangithanda ngithi uyangifuna uyangifila, kanti yena uyangidlala uyangetha, yena bekangangithandi ngazithola sengikhala ngamnika inhliziyo ngifuna uthando, bengimuncane bengazi ukuthi ngizophuka so ngamnikeza inhliziyo yami wayithatha athi yena uyangithanda. I guess mina nawe baby girl no more, angeke siphinde sibe together, angisakufuni ngoba baby uyangidlala uyangiphula, baby girl uyangetha, wayiphula inhliziyo yami, ngikuthanda tali baby, sweet love onjunju, I guess ngiyakuthanda mina vele ngiyakufuna, angisakhoni ukukhohlwa, everyday ngiyazama ukubhema ngikhiphe ekhanda, mara baby ngiyafila, ngiyakuthanda my darling, I miss you, angisakufuna namanje I want you, noma ungahamba cela uphinde ubuye, I swear ngiyakuthanda, I swear ngiyakufuna, mina ngifuna ukuthi ube ngowami. Mangakutshela iqiniso